Hello friends, today we are going to do butter chicken masala. The ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description, so do check it. So let's start. First we are going to marinate the chicken. To the chicken we are going to add lemon, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chilli powder and salt. Mix it well and set it aside for at least 1 hour. To hot kadai we are going to add butter and oil. Then we are going to add some spices, bay leaf, cinnamon and cloves. I did forget the cloves, which I would add it later. Now we are going to fry the onions in the kadai. To this we are going to add some Kashmiri chillies, some ginger garlic paste. Cook the onion till translucent and don't let the onion turn brown. Then we are going to add the tomatoes. Do pour some water if it starts to burn. Now we are going to add the cashews and cook the cashews till it gets soft. When the cashews are cooked, we are going to add some Garam Masala, some Kashmiri chilli powder, and some salt. Do add some water and cook the tomatoes nicely. Next we are going to grind the mixture to a smooth paste. If you don't have a smooth paste, do run it through a sieve. Next, to the same kadai we are going to add some oil and some butter. And we are going to cook the marinated chicken in it. Cook the chicken till it's 75% done. When the chicken is 75% done, we are going to add the ground masala paste. Like every Indian grandmother says, don't waste anything. Pour some water into the mixie jar and pour every drop of the masala into the kadai. Mix it well and let the chicken cook. Then we are going to add sugar. If the gravy is very thick, add some water. Now we are going to add some cream. And let the gravy cook for some time. We are going to finish it with some Kasuri Methi and some Corriander leaves. So here you go guys, our yummy butter chicken masala. Do try it at home and do share your results.